Hello, welcome to Group AMOEBA, presented by Hazrin, Ilya, and Ain.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nisha Hazim binti Celam and my ID number is 20224956. Now I'm going to tell you the taxonomic description of AMOEBA. So AMOEBA is from the domain Eukaryote, which is under the kingdom Protista. Its phylum is Amoebazoa, its class is Tubulinia, its order is Amoebida, its family is Amoebidae, its genus is Amoeba, and its species is Amoeba praetus.
It's me, Eliya binti Ismail from As1204A, and my metric number is 2022817892. Habitat of amoeba. As you can see here, there are 4 example habitats that you can find it. Amoebas can be found in decaying vegetation in both fresh and saltwater environments, as well as in wet soil and within animals. Because they are easy to collect and maintain, amoeba are frequently studied as examples of protozoa to illustrate cell structure and function. Most amoeba live in water. They are common in ocean, river, and lakes. However, some amoeba will leave the water to live in another habitat. If given the chance, they will live inside other organisms, including humans.
Now I'm going to talk about the characteristic of amoeba. Amoeba has a distinct shape or irregular shape, kinda like a blob or a droplet of water. Amoeba moves using finger-like projection called pseudopodia, which is also used for capturing food. Since amoeba is a heterotrophic organism, it feeds onto the microscopic organism like bacteria and algae. Amoeba also respirate through diffusion, which means oxygen enter and carbon dioxide exits through the cell membrane. Amoeba reproduce asexually by binary fission. Amoeba also has contractile wall that helps regulate water balance that enter and access from the cell. Amoeba has sensory organelles. Even if it lacks on it, it still can sense lights and temperature from the environment. Last but not least, amoeba is capable of adapting and can form cysts to protect itself from the unfavorable condition until the favorable condition is back. That's all of the traits that amoeba has. That's all from me, thank you.
Hi, my name is Nurul Ain, and I'm gonna talk about life cycle in amoeba. So, amoeba reproduce asexually by binary fission. Firstly, it starts with a fully grown parent cell. Then, elongation of nucleus, which where the nucleus of the parent cell lengthens and stretches. Now, with the nucleus of amoeba has divided into 2 daughter nuclei by the process of cardiokinesis. After that, the process of cytokinesis takes place where cytoplasm of mother cells divide into 2 daughter cells. And lastly, these give the identical copies of 2 daughter cells having a nucleus and its 1 organelles. This process is complete within half an hour. Now let's discuss about amoeba life cycle in human body digestive system that I have shown here. So the life cycle of amoeba in human host start after the ingestion of a cyst. A cyst is a relatively inactive form of amoeba that can live for several months outside the body. It has 4 nuclei with a charting wall and is resistant to gastric acid, which help it to pass from the stomach without harm. Mainly, they may be ingested with contaminated food or water. Okay, after ingestion, it passes from the stomach unharmed. And upon reaching the whole small intestine, this cyst is converted to an activated form called a trophozoite. The trophozoite is a motile vegetative body that can divide and colonize. From the small intestine, trophozoite migrate to the large intestine and colonize in the cecum or colon under anaerobic condition. There, these trophozoites undergo multiplication and form many amoebic cells. That's all from me.
Importance to ecosystem and in economy. Soil amoeba help maintain the normal nutrient flow in the soil by consuming excess bacteria and then digesting and excreting their waste. This process supports various agricultural methods. in any ecosystem food chain. Amoeba are considered crucial consumers. They are also economically important for uses like biotechnology, genetic engineering, fiber writing, digestion, and vitamin synthesis. According to biology reference, while some amoeba species can lead to illness and death, others play a crucial role in sustaining healthy ecosystem by recycling nutrients utilized by bacteria and regulating bacterial population. The amoeba, a primary consumer, doesn't produce its own food like plants, but relies on other organisms like algae and bacteria for nourishment. Its role in the environment includes regulating bacterial population, particularly in soil ecosystem.
Hey, it's time for conclusion. These are our references that we use in this video. Any question, don't hesitate to ask for our help. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.